Welcome, here I've got iPhone 12 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. Let's start by tapping on the settings button to open them. Now let's slide down to the privacy. Here at the first place we have the location services, so let's tap on this. And here we are, we have here the list of the apps that are using the location. One of this is the camera app, so let's tap on this. And here we can decide if we want to allow our camera app to use the location. We can pick never, ask next time, and also while using the app. So let's stay on this now, and let's go now to the camera here to take a picture. Now let's move here to the left corner at the bottom to this button, so we get quick access to the gallery. This is our photo. To check its location we have to just simply slide down, and as you can see here we have the places with the map and the full location. So greetings from Kraków, Poland, and that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.